Everyone, nagagawa natin reaction video ang Kimpo compilation. Alam mo, na-realize ko lang kahapon kasi gumawa ako ng reaction video. Ang dami ko palang hindi nagawa ng reaction video ng mga interview ng Kim Pao, yung mga kilig moments interview nila. So without further ado, agad-agad gawa natin ito. G.
How much have you adjusted to one another?
Ay ano to? Ay bakit may pag-a-adjust kung wala namang relasyon daw? Eh di may relasyon talaga.
Napahinga ka doon.
May relasyon talaga.
After 3 long shows, diba? 2
Diba?
teleseries.
May relasyon talaga, may. Sa totoo lang.
A movie.
Bakit may adjustment?
Naman na kami sa, I think nakapag-adjust na.
Adjust lang. Siyempre may relation sa work.
Yung course namin.
O, diba?
Maybe yung mga gusto namin sa set and yung mga
Siyempre may relation sa work. Huwag tayong maging ano. Huwag natin silang pangunahan. Enjoy nyo lang natin kung ano meron sa kanila. Right?
Paano? Because medyo the quiet person ka.
Enjoy nyo lang natin kung ano meron sa kanila.
Oo daw.
Oo daw.
And then, ikaw naman, hindi kay Paolo, paano ka nag-adjust?
Ay, hindi. Siyempre, hindi naman tayo magsusobrang mag-ingay. Baka,
Yeah.
Pabebe.
Yes, pabebe.
As much as I can.
Tumutone down tayo.
As much as I can.
Sa lugar, yung kaingayan.
If there was one characteristic about one another that you would like to adapt to for yourself, what would it be?
Ako, si Pao, yung pagiging, ano niya, very zen in everything.
In fairness, nakukuha ko yung energy na yun eh.
Diba?
Parang kahit naka-ano siya, cool.
Relax, cool.
Correct.
Relax lang siya. Cool lang.
Ano pa rin siya, hindi siya sasabog. Ganyan, normal. Ingay na, may Wilma Dasent kami, may Kim Chu, may Lovely, may ang gulo namin sa set, pero siya, okay lang to.
Okay lang to.
Parang nag-yoga ata to.
Composure, zen.
Ayun, it's the composure. Pero
Composure.
Ako, if there's a trait that I would like to get from Kim, maybe it's her likability. Kasi parang
Likability.
lahat ng tao gusto si Kim.
Gusto mo ako.
Ay, gusto mo ako.
Sarap. Yun yung upsound. Thank you.
Gusto mo ako. Gusto mo ako. Hindi mo kaya. Ay, tapos na rin. Marrying the babe. Hello, what's the
It's really hard to say because
ito, mga interview ni Paolo na ayaw niya.
minsan talaga alam mo na yun yung taong gusto mong pakasalan, but sometimes
Sabi ko pa ito na panood.
Sa mga hindi inaasam pangyayari at mga ganap hindi nangyayari, but you know, I'm always
very chismosa, no?
If I find the right person,
Very chismosa ang actingin.
or if the right time comes, or baka nasa tabi mo lang. But commitment is something else, you know. That's why it's called commitment, because you're committing to something special and something you would give a part of you to. So parang commitment is something else. If you commit to something, you should decide, and you should be decided to be there and stick through your commitment.
Do you still believe that
It really exists. Oh my god, I love this compilation.
Yeah.
I love this compilation.
It doesn't matter if you find your true love with your dog or parang
Totoo ba po?
sa edad
Totoo ba yan pa?
Minsan iba lang talaga timing, or baka meron pang
Iba lang yung timing.
naghihintay or darating. So akin, just never stop believing, and it doesn't matter if you wait for years or kung gaano katagal pa yan, pero darating at darating naman.
Ako kasi I grew up very conservative family.
Conservative.
And Chinese din ako. So parang iba lang yung kwento sa akin once you live together. So dapat talaga kayo, promise nyo each other that you will live together forever. Parang ganun yung sa isip ko, na pag
Ganun
nagsama
pala
tayo na forever.
I believe that marriage, you find the person you love and you're willing to sacrifice and commit to them for your whole life, then that is love. Show them how much love. I think that's the best gift you can give somebody.
Oh my god, I love this compilation. Literally. Hindi,
from
hindi.
lang, tas
It's
tuloy-tuloy.
so mahaba.
Kasi
Ay, ano to?
nakakaliwa ko, meron pa ito ha. Si
Ito.
Grace. Is Paulo Avellino still jojowain for you now that you've worked
Ayan.
with him?
Sinagot niya ba? Ay, ayaw niya sagutin.
Ano ba to?
Niya siya.
Sumagot ka ba dati ng... Saan galing ang tanong na to?
Ayaw niya
Explain
sagutin.
mo muna. Hindi ko get. Hindi ko get.
Okay, play natin. Paolo Avellino.
Okay.
Mag-hi. Sa itsura.
Mag-hi.
Jojowain.
Jujuwain.
So, yun yun. So, nagjojowain,
Siguro
tatrabahin kami ng mga
jujuwain niya.
pandemic days. Hindi ko naman alam na magkakatrabaho kami. May mga jowa naman na kami. Ay, ako, may jowa. Siya din, masaya naman na din siya sa state of love life niya. So, pareho naman kami very contented and very much happy.
Happily in love.
Yeah, on what we have right now.
At syempre may project tayo together.
Yes, yun lang. Abangan niyo po yan. Malapit na po.
Correct.
Okay. Ay, kailan niyo ba amin? Ay, ano tong interview na to? Hindi si Paulo.
ATC. Yun. So, Merry Christmas and God bless everyone.
Ano to? Ang dami pala talaga. Gwapo ni Paulo dito, oh. Gwapo ni Paulo dyan. Diba? Ay, describe your video. Ang haba ng video, 30 minutes. Let's check this out. Ay, atake.
Actually, hindi naman namin siya pinag-uusapan ni
Ay.
Paolo.
It's Paolo.
Na lang talaga namin yung
Ba't parang may,
dapat namin
ano,
gawin.
may
As actors,
diin ng Paulo.
maswerte din
Si Paolo,
kami
si Paolo,
sa
si
mga
Paolo.
writers,
Poker face si Paolo.
scripts
Ayun.
na
Laro lang
napapanood
siya.
namin. And yung
Laro siya sa table niya. Gumagano-ganon din siya, oh.
ginagawa din nila yung best. Parang group effort siya eh.
I don't think
Mm-mm.
chemistry is forced. Parang, but I do think it starts with two people getting along well. And parang, yun nga, finding the middle ground for sa lahat ng bagay. Sa lahat ng
Mm-mm. Okay, what's next? Ay, hina na naman si Paolo. Ang dami mga videos na hindi pa natin napapanood. Ay, yun to. Ay, si totoo ba yan, Kim? Yung totoo, Kim. Alright. Na parang tayo. When the dance floor. Better. Never fine. Oh, rap, rap, rap. Oh, rap, rap, rap. Oh, rap. Ay. Atake. Atake siya, oh. Oh, rap, rap, rap. Oh, rap, rap, rap. Everyone on the dance floor. I love the song. Anyways, there you go guys. That's it for today's video. Our K-pop compilation. And this is Kiko Vlogs. And see you in the next vlog. Bye.